What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming up with another tutorial in JavaScript. And tonight we're going to be talking about functions. Why do I say tonight? Because actually it's the morning. It's 12:23 a.m. I'm supposed to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning so I can go to work actually before that. By the way, so let's talk about functions. What is a function? A function is a group of reusable code. You can call it anywhere in your program, and this will help you not to write down the same code again and again. So basically, it will help you to have a clean code in your programs. So anyway, so let's start. So how do you start with functions? So first, you type the word function, and then you give it a name. For example, we're going to say hello, and then parentheses, and then the code that you want is going to be in brackets. Okay, this is the block of code. So what type of instructions you want to give to this function? So let's see. Let's do an alert. Parentheses. Hello. Good morning. And now let's call it. How do you call that function? Say hello, and then parentheses, and then just semicolon, and then you save it, and then you refresh it. Hello, good morning. So that's the instruction that we're given to the function. Yeah, we're saying say hello. Okay. So now let's see another example. Also we can do this. We can do some type of math. Bar A equals 5, bar B equals 6, and then we want the bar sum equals A times B, semicolon, and then right here let's do a document that get element by ID. Let's erase that and let's use our demo as an ID, and then we get the inner HTML, and then we have the sum. Okay, so basically that should give us what, and then we're calling right here, say hello right here. 6 times 5, that's going to be 30, right? Let's save that, and yeah, it gives us a 30. Cool. So let's see another example of function. So what about if I want to, let's do this. Let's do something cool. Let's do a bar, another variable. Let's put the name of, let's give the name of secret. Let's put secret password. The secret password is going to be a Spider-Man. Okay. Or the secret word. Let's put it that way. Secret word. I want to call it Spider-Man. So, and then we want another bar. User, let's put user equals, we're going to use a prompt, parentheses, quotation marks, and then we're asking the user, what is the secret word? And then since we already use and we learn if else statements, so let's going to use that. So if secret word, we're comparing equals to the user answer, we're going to say document that get element by ID. Let's change that to demo. That's HTML, and then right here we're going to say we're going to say secret word. What do we say? Let's do, yeah, secret word. No, actually, let's do this. It's the user. We're going to say the user concatenate whatever the user says. If the user says the right word, we wanted to say uh, is the whatever word they type is the right secret word. Okay, let's close that. Now, if they don't, if the user doesn't type the right word or the secret word, we're going to say, let's copy this again. Then we're going to say user is not it's not the right is not the secret word. Okay, let's save that. Okay, and let's call it. We'll save it. Okay, what is the secret word? Let's put the secret word is Spider-Man, right? So, but let's put Superman. Let's enter. Superman is now the secret word. See? Our logic is working. So let's do another. What is the secret word? Let's put Spider-Man. Spider-Man is the right secret word. Cool. So this is working. This is how functions work. So you type, you give it the name of your function, and then you give instructions. What do you want your program to do on the function? Okay, like we did over here. Yeah, it's just a block of code that you can. It looks pretty organized, pretty clean that way. So also with functions, what you can do, you can pass parameters too. So let's get rid of this. Let's pass A, B, C. Okay, let's do a little bit of algebra right here. When we're passing parameters, we gotta return. So let's do A plus parentheses B times C. Okay, close that, semicolon. Now now right here, let's do a document that get element by ID. Let's change to demo in HTML, and let's pass some values on those parameters right here. So we need to say hello. We could have changed the name of that, but we're good. We're just doing some examples right here. So what do you want to pass? What numbers do you want to pass? Let's pass 2, let's pass 4, and let's pass 3. So 2 is going to be A, 4 is going to be B, and 3 is going to be C. So, and we want to return these values right here, this algebra operation. So it will start inside the parentheses B times C, which is 4 times 3, which is going to be 12, plus A, that is 2. 12 is going to be 14. So let's close that, and let's see, it's going to give us a 14. Yeah, it gives us a 14. Cool beans. So all right, guys, that was just a short basic use of functions. Hopefully this helped you in your journey. There is like so much that you can do with functions, man. Guys, by the way, so please like the video, share, subscribe to the channel. We need more subscribers. Yeah, don't get too many views either, like, but anyway, so I'm just doing just for the experience of building and keeping my skills top notch by doing tutorials. But anyway, so is able just to help somebody, just go ahead. Hopefully it does. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye bye.